I just thought I'd come out here and take a little short video of the moon for those of you who can't get out and see it. It is really full and big and bright tonight. And someone had said a comment on my last video that in 45 years they'd never seen it so bright and so beautiful as it is tonight. And we know that the Lord said in his word that before his return he would put signs in the sun, moon, and stars, and so why not? It's just a big, beautiful moon, and even bigger and brighter than we normally have seen. And I don't recall anybody saying it was supposed to be a supermoon or anything like that, but it certainly looks like one. So anyway, I hope you all enjoy this, and for those of you who can get out to look at it and it's a clear night where you are, definitely think it's worth looking at for a few minutes. It's very beautiful. So I love you guys, and I'm sure we'll talk real soon.